A tipper truck caused quite a stir this morning when it found itself stuck in a large hole that appeared at Upper Changi Road East. The Land Transport Authority says a depression appeared in the road's centre lane around 8:30 a.m. The truck was passing by when it tilted into the hole. Thankfully, no one was injured. To ensure the safety of motorists, 2 lanes were immediately closed to traffic while the truck was recovered. Reinstatement works are ongoing and the LTA is investigating the incident. The depression is located near a downtown Line 3 construction site. But the LTA says it doesn't expect the incident to impact the progress of construction of the MRT line.